In previous lesson, we've talked about data types in JavaScript. In this lesson, we're going to talk about one of the most important data types in JavaScript, and it's numbers and arithmetic operators in JavaScript. Let's create a variable var x equals to 7. Okay, 7 is a number. Let's create another variable called y equals to 3. 3 is a number. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 7, and this 7 is a number. Okay, I would like to mention, if you just put it like this is not a number. This is a string. Okay, so please make sure that it's without those double quotations. So let's list our arithmetic operators. We have here the first operator, and it's the addition operator. We use this when we want to add numbers together. Let me give you an example. Console.log x plus y. What's the result here? The result is 10. 7 plus 3 equals to 10. So we use this operator to get the sum of numbers. The second operator is subtraction operator. We use this to subtract the right operand from the left operand. Let me give you an example. X minus y, that means 7 minus 3. Let me change this plus to minus. We get here 4. 7 minus 3 equals to 4. The third operator is the multiplication operator. We use this to multiply numbers. For example, if we want to get or to multiply 7 and 3, let's just remove this subtraction operator and add multiplication operator. Look, 7 times 3 equals to 21. The fourth operator is division operator, and we use this operator in divides the left operand by the right operand. For example, let's divide x by y. So let's replace this sign with this sign. Look, we have here 2.3333. The fifth operator is the modulus, and we use this to return the remainder of the division of the left operand by the right operand. For example, when we divide 7 by 3, we get 2 and 1/3. This one is the remainder of the division. Let me show you. Let's get the modulus of x and y. So let's add this sign. Look, it's 1. Where did we get this 1? Because 7 divided by 3 equals to 2. And we have 1 left. Next, we have the increment operator. And we use this to increase the value of a variable by 1. For example, we have here x equals to 7. Console.log here x equals to 7. If we just add here increment, we get here 8, because 7 plus 1 equals to 8, because this increment increases the value of a variable by 1. In opposite to it, we have the decrement. What does this do? It decreases the value of a variable by 1. X here equals to 7. If we just remove this and make it like this, look, here we have 6 because we decreased it by 1. So those were the most important arithmetic operators in JavaScript, and you should know them. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. And don't forget the share and like button if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in next lesson.